Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these assorted dozen donut sugar cookies. You definitely do not need an airbrush to make these cookies, but I'm going to go ahead and use mine today. So if you don't have an airbrush, I would use a darker color on this initial flood, kind of like a medium brown, just whatever you think would match kind of a glazed donut look. Because I'm going to be using my airbrush, I went ahead and colored this an ivory color, so it's not white, but I wanted there to be some contrast when I went in with my airbrush. So this is an ivory color, and then you'll see here in a minute I am going to go in with my airbrush and airbrush kind of a warm brown to give it kind of that freshly baked look. So for the icing toppings on all of these donuts, I like to use about a 20-second consistency. So what that means is the icing, if I leave it alone long enough, it should eventually smooth out on its own. But it's not so runny that it's going to run off the edge of your cookie. So that's what I like to use for this. You'll see this one is mimicking like a melted chocolate. And then on the ones coming up, it's just like different colored icings. But about 20-second consistency is what I shoot for on this. And then immediately after I flood that icing, I go ahead and add the toppings just so they'll stick. You definitely want to add those when the icing is wet. And you'll see I kind of help shape the sprinkles with my scribe tool just to make sure they're not hanging off all over the place. All the cookies were decorated using basically that same exact technique that I just walked you through. So I chose just my favorite designs out of this set of dozen donuts to show in the video. I didn't think anyone would want to sit through a video of 12 cookies getting decorated basically the exact same way. My two personal favorites are coming up with the Fruity Pebbles and the chopped peanuts. But yeah, just keep watching if you want to see a few more designs. I would love to hear what your favorite donut is that you get whenever you go get donuts. I am pretty simple, and I feel like as I've gotten older, I just appreciate a very basic glazed donut. If I'm feeling crazy, maybe I'll do a chocolate glazed. Or if I'm feeling really wild, maybe blueberry, but that's about it. I'm pretty boring when it comes to donuts. I actually really love getting donut holes. So that's kind of one thing. If I go pick up donuts, I'll get a dozen, assorted with my family's favorites. My son loves maple. donuts, but I'll get usually a dozen of the donut holes and I eat those in the car on the way back home. So that's my little secret there. But yeah, I'm pretty boring when it comes to donuts. So let me know what you like. All right, well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for spending some time out of your day with me. It really does mean so much. And if you have any requests for videos you'd like to see, please leave them down in the comment section. I always love to hear from you all and see what you want to see from me so I know what to do in the future. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.